All right, we have some low clouds over the FM area, and our temperatures, well, they've been steady, but it hasn't felt warm because of those winds that have been pretty persistent throughout the day. Right now, 13 miles per hour from an east-southeasterly direction, making that 24 degrees feel like 12. So yes, it's wind chilly, and across our entire area, temperatures remain below freezing. That means wet spots could very quickly become very slippery spots out there, so travel with care across our region tonight. And these low clouds for some areas making things a little on the foggy side out west. If you get near Lake Sakakawea, visibility's down there, and out in the Dickinson area, pretty low, under a mile in many locations. So that'll be a battle tonight along this boundary between our cooler air here in the valley and the milder air out to the west. Radar not doing a great job of showing up all this cloud cover and fogginess we have across the area. We are seeing a little bit of light snow around the Great Lakes, but otherwise the Central Plains high and dry for travelers this Wednesday night. And early on Thanksgiving, not a lot will change. It's wet down near Texas. And we do have some unsettled weather and particularly cold weather blasting into the northeast United States. Here's your planner for this evening. Cloudy skies will have patchy areas of fog, and I can't rule out some drizzle, freezing drizzle, or maybe even a little bit of light flakiness here and there. It'll be isolated in nature. Temperatures steady this evening. Overnight, temperatures steady, in fact, rising in northern Minnesota. We'll start with sunshine out in the western Dakotas. Our southeast wind continues, and we'll be in the 20s to get your Thanksgiving Day started. Now, in the afternoon, southeast wind will start to warm things up in the far south. As we go through the day, the wind picks up again. We'll be blowing at 15 to 25 miles per hour, and in the afternoon, temperatures will be near freezing or just above in many locations, and then quickly slip down to below freezing again. So, using those normal precautions in this type of weather, travel slow, travel with care. There will be slippery spots on area roads out there. Now, as we head into the remainder of our forecast period, we do have some unsettled weather. Stay tuned for that in just one moment. But here for Fargo, your Thanksgiving Day travel forecast looks like below freezing first thing in the morning. Not much sun tomorrow. A temperature between 35 and 40 degrees in the afternoon will feel quite mild. Here's what we're watching. Friday, rain across eastern Minnesota and all points along the Mississippi River Valley. But we're watching this system that develops in the Rockies, and it works its way out into the Central Plains as we go through Saturday and Sunday. This will bring bands of moderate to heavy snow, Nebraska, southern South Dakota, and Iowa Saturday and into Sunday. It stays south of our area, but if your travels take you there, be aware a winter weather system will be working through. These two thankful to be talking turkey, and they are pets, so they're thankful for that as well. And Colfax, thanks so much for uploading your photo. Here's your planning forecast. On Friday, we stay fairly mild, still more clouds and soupy conditions across the valley. Then it turns slippery and cold as we go through the weekend. I can't rule out flakes of snow here, but the real cold arrives early next week when temperatures will dip into the teens for afternoon highs.
It looks a little brutal, but that's okay. We'll wait till we get there before we, freak out or anything.
No freaking out.
Yeah,
we frown on that here.
Not before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, right.
And make sure you have the best forecast for your drive or flight home after Thanksgiving by downloading the Valley News Live Storm Team weather app. You'll get the latest forecasts and conditions so that you can plan your day. All you have to do is search VNL Weather in the App Store and download it for free.